No hassle with full truck parking spaces in the night. Book your parking space online at truckparkingalblasserdam.com. After payment, you will receive a confirmation by email. An invoice and a personal QR code are also attached. Your license plate is automatically read by a camera in front of the pedestal at the entrance. Please park your truck on the indicated parking bay number only. You can visit the restaurant during opening hours. After opening hours you have free access to toilet and shower. You can leave the premises by using the pedestrian door. Use your personal QR code to regain access to the site. Thank you for your visit. Drive safely, and we hope to see you soon.